At this very moment you are probably touching an object that a woman has already used for other means. In fact, after this video, you will be sure of it. Women can be very mysterious and creative, especially when it comes to going after their pleasure. And many of them, most of the time, don't have the appropriate object for it at the moment, and the fire consumes them. The result is the use of totally unusual objects that men would not even imagine that they could use. Thinking about this, we at the Curious Facts channel did a vast research to find out what women have already used in that intimate region and brought it to you. You are on the Curious Facts channel, and today you will see a list of 41 strangest objects that women have used to get pleasure and you don't even imagine it. 1. Hangers from the closet. 2. The hand shower in a special configuration. 3. A frozen hot dog. 4. A beer bottle opener. 5. A can of Coca-Cola. 6. Mother-in-law's water bottle. 7. A knitting needle. 8. A pearl necklace. 9. A bottle of moisturizer. 10. A 6-pack of nuggets. 11. 1-liter bottle of apple juice. 12. A slice of ham. 13. Doorknob of the house. 14. The gear lever of the car. 15. A Christmas top star. 16. Electric toothbrush. 17. Old boyfriend t-shirt. 18. A cucumber. 19. A school marker. 20. A Christmas pinecone. 21. A toy lightsaber. 22. A gym bottle. 23. An unplugged hair curler. 24. The leg of a chair. 25. A dog's toy. 26. The leg of the Ken doll. 27. Water from the shower head. 28. Raspberry flavored jelly. 29. A frozen banana. 30. A piece of wood. Before you go to the next topic, please leave your like. And there, did you? Then let's go to the next topic. 31. The kitchen roll. 32. The handle of a hammer. 33. A cheese stick. 34. A microphone. 35. One of those long lollipops. 36. A rolled up newspaper. 37. Soap on a string. 38. A pair of tweezers. 39. A broken chocolate. 40. Remote control. 41. Cell phone vibrating. 42. Boyfriend's perfume bottle. 43. Hairbrush handle. 44. Gym weight. 45. Spoon to eat. 46. A light bulb turned off. 47. Cell phone charger cable. 48. A construction hammer. 49. A joystick control. 50. House keys. 51. Hand washing soap. We have reached the end of yet another video. How crazy to think that all of these items were used by women for, you know. Comment here below which object surprised you the most. Subscribe to our channel, we have new videos every day. Leave your like if you want part 2, activate the little bell. See you in the next video.